Alright. So I'm filming a fudge recipe, right? And I have a short story time for it. It's not relationship bacchanal, it's nothing like what happened last time, although I have plenty more on that, but we're keeping it simple today, and it's only because I remember the story and I kinda low-key embarrassed. Is why I decided to come and just give what it is goes, right? By the way, this is my peanut butter fudge. And this is my milk fudge. Just milk. When I was going to primary school, right? Alright, I done laughing. When I was going to primary school, right? I had a lot of instances of like bullying and stuff in primary school. So I was very introverted and kind of timid now. But you know, when I had friends, but I didn't really have friends. Not in primary school. So I wasn't living too far from school, which most of us would kind of relate to. So sometimes like my sister and I would walk down home and get lunch. And on this particular day, I went home for lunch. We had soup. My mother made soup. I remember that vividly. And let me do my thing while I'm talking. My mother, she made soup. So we had the soup. Should I cut it? I'm studying. Oh, it's so soft. I love soft fudge. Should I cut it like in 3? Like 1, 2, 3? Or should I cut it in 2? I'll cut it in 3. Just thinking about it. Anyway. So my mother made soup. And we ate the soup. And then it was time to go back to school. So we left home. We walked up the hill. We reached just in time. Now, I don't know how primary schools do it now, but in my days, we used to have a lot of prayers, and I went to a Catholic school. So we would have prayers in the morning, and then I think no prayers for break time, but we would have prayers before lunch, and then prayers after lunch, prayers and assembly after lunch, and then we go upstairs or go in our classes, and then prayers after school, like when we finish, when the bell ring, right? Home time prayers, yes. So the assembly used to be outside after lunch. So we're there outside. I went in my line and my sister went in her line. And while we praying, I really felt something. But I turned around, I looked left, I looked right. And in those days, when children harassing you, they just used to bop you on your head from behind and then pretend like. I remember I tell you all, I experienced bullying in primary school. So I tell myself, and the girl behind me, we wasn't the best of friends because she was a bully, right? So I felt the tap and I turned around. I looked at her, but she didn't look like she did anything. And then a couple minutes later, I hear, "Ew! Again! Where's that in your head?" So me now, very concerned. I like, "What's what?" And she goes, "Ew, I don't even want to touch it." I'm a cut and talk. She was like, "Ew, I don't even want to touch it." Well, I started to get frightened. But our school had a problem with pigeons, Ollie. That school had a problem with pigeons, a serious problem with pigeons. So when she said that, I automatically told myself, bird shit in my head. She was like, "Oh, I don't want to touch it." I was like, "Well, show me where it is." She was like, "Give me your hand. Give me your hand and I'll show you where it is." So she took my hand. Oh my God, I fudge in my hair. Okay, now. So she took my hand and she go, "Right there, right there, right there." And when I move my hand, let me show you what it was looking like. Really friggin', this is what it was looking like. She was like, "There's bird again. There's bird shits in your head. Look, bird shit in your head." And when it is she start to activate, I don't know, I'm gonna be the laughing stock. I started to think real fast. Let me go and wash my hand. Yes. I started to think fast, eh? I said, nah, I can't be the laughing stock. So I was like, oh, you know the primary school girl's attitude. That is not bullshit. Yes. So where's that? I was like, girl, me and my sister had hot dogs for lunch and she put mustard in my head. That's not the worst part. But I don't know where it is. I don't know how to get it out. And at that point in time, the girl feel sorry for my own. She was like, well, I go help you wash out the mustard out your head. And she carried me really nicely by the sink. And she washed it out. She take her hands and she washed it out. And then she gave me her rag. And she dried my hair for me. Hey, girl, hear this. If you remember the story, I have an apology for you, just inbox me now. If you remember. If you don't remember, do bother. It's okay. If you remember, I can deal with all the making fun of myself. I know you're gonna feel sick when you see this. If you remember, just inbox me now. I apologize. I'm not apologizing here. Just inbox me now. I apologize. Anyway, so my fudge is done. Oh, I talking so much. I you need to the peanut butter fudge. Look at that. And I want to bite it for you. I want to bite it. See that? I love me a creamy fudge. I love it. Move on to the next one. Yo, this fudge is good. My mom used to make fudge with us, but the fudge that she used to make, we didn't used to use condensed milk. We used to use milk and sugar. And I will put it on the website. Oh, damn it, Gritty! I feel like I have to go soon because this Gritty just driving me crazy. This recipe is top notch. So I already tasted the peanut butter. Here it is. And now I'm going to taste the vanilla. Don't you dare come here. Don't you dare. It's so good. It is so good. It is so I hope you all enjoyed the little story time. I know you all have been asking for story time. So this is my fudge. Here is the peanut. Here is the vanilla. I love the peanut. Hands down, I love the peanut. The recipe will be linked so that you all can go on YouTube at Samantha Stiell. And don't forget to subscribe. Check out the other videos because we've been having a lot of fun across there. And I have a new YouTube channel. It is called Samantha Stiell Diaries. There, we'll have all the fun we need to have when it comes to story times. I mean, I'll still come here and love on you all a bit, but go and subscribe to the two channels, Samantha Stiell and Samantha Stiell Diaries. And I'll see you soon. Enjoy.